Hey guys, I'm Jose and this is tutorial number 8 on RhinoPython. What we're going to see today is starting off with the script from the last session. We're basically going to divide this script into two parts. One part would be the class file and the second part will be the implementation of that script. And we're going to see how to basically call this class file without really having all this code in here, right? Um, So let's get started. We're going to start by picking all the implementation, everything that happens after the class, and we're going to cut it, pressing Ctrl X and going into a new tab. And in an empty script, we're going to create a new empty script. So we're going to just paste it, Ctrl V here, right? So we're pasting all the implementation, everything that was used in that file, in a new file. So we're going to go back to the class file and we're gonna save this file, just a class, but we're gonna just name it differently in order to be a little bit more descriptive about what this class is doing. So we're gonna call it line that is something that is descriptive and that can tell us what the class does without really needing to go into the class, read through all the script and check what it would do, right? So we're gonna save this as line that curves class, right? And we're gonna save it like that, right? So we have this file now that is only the class. Now we're gonna go back to this new script that is untitled. It's just a script, a new script. You could save it if you want. No problem right now. What we're gonna do is call this other file, basically establish a connection between these files, and tell the script, hey, call that guy. So I'm gonna say from the file line that curves class import. And this is a way of importing basically everything that file contains. So we're using, we need to be very specific that the name needs to be exactly the same, right? And we're also going to import, as usual, just Rhino syntax, right? So basically, let's go through the script right now, this implementation. And this other file, you closed it, but we're going to just, in order to check for the names and see that everything's alright, we're going to leave it open for now. But I'm going to show you that the script should run perfectly without having open or just have it closed, and that would be fine. So let's see first. Lines get object, that's fine. This is the same stuff that we had before. And here, when we get to line number 7, we have the object number 1. It's being created. Create a new instance of my class. Well, right now our class is called different, right? We changed the name of the class to line between curves. So I'm gonna Control C, copy this line, this name, and I'm gonna paste it here because this is the name of our class now. This is the information that goes in the constructor. I'm gonna put something like 50 here. And this stays the same, and then we can use all the functionality of that object, right? So just it's important that we check that we are using the right names, right? If we are using the right names, we can actually close this file and we will see if this works. First of all, I think I have something on the screen, so I'm going to just undo that, and let's see. Pick first curve, pick second curve, and there we go. So again, what this line is saying is import that class, make us be able to access that class, and we can have many different functions of that class here. and we can call them without having all that script here. This is a really great way of building modular scripts that have different classes that you can reuse in many different ways. Like if your classes are described in a way that they self-contain the information they work with using these constructors, you can use them for many different projects. And that's kind of the power as you are starting to script more and more, that you will realize that most of the stuff you've done already, and there will be changes perhaps or new functions to your classes, and slowly you will start building a library of code that will be very personal to the kind of needs and work that you're doing. So that's it. I hope you liked it.